Hello, everyone. Today, we're discussing an exciting opportunity that could make your home warmer and more comfortable this winter. Do you have an old room heater or electric storage heaters that don't quite do the trick? You might qualify for a free first-time full central heating installation. This program is designed to help households switch from old room heaters and electric storage heaters to a new full central heating system. To be eligible, your property must have only room heaters or old electric storage heaters and no boiler currently installed. This offer can even include replacing any room heaters that use main gas with new ones if they're not suitable or safe anymore. To find out if you're eligible, contact the Energy Saving Trust at Eka Northeast Grants at gmail.com. Call their helpline on 07846449331 and they'll provide more information and help you take advantage of this fantastic opportunity. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay warm and safe this winter season.